Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a post on your Wix website. Whether you're starting a blog, sharing updates with your audience, or building your brand's online presence, knowing how to create and publish posts is essential for keeping your website fresh and engaging. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Open your browser and navigate to the Wix homepage, then log into your Wix account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything on your website. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing different sections of your site. Locate the option labeled blog and click on it. This will expand the menu and give you access to all your blog management tools. The blog section is where you'll create, edit, and organize all your posts, making it easy to keep your content updated and structured. After clicking on blog, you'll be taken to the blog overview page. This page displays all your existing posts, drafts, and scheduled content, giving you a complete view of your blog's status. Now, to create a new post, look for the button that says Create New Post and click on it. Depending on your website settings, you might see a language selector pop up at this point. If your site supports multiple languages, simply select the language you wish to use for your post. This ensures that your content reaches the right audience in the right language. Once you've made your selection, proceed by clicking the Create Post button to move forward. You'll now be directed to the Wix blog post editor screen, which is where all the magic happens. This is your workspace for crafting your posts from start to finish. The first thing you'll want to do is add your title. Click on the title field and type in a catchy descriptive title that clearly tells your readers what the post is about. A strong title is crucial because it's the first thing people see and it helps with search engine optimization as well. Next, you can start customizing your post by using the various tools available in the editor. On the left navigation panel, you'll notice an Add Element icon. Click on this icon to explore all the elements you can add to your post, such as text boxes, images, videos, galleries, buttons, and more. These elements help you create a visually appealing and interactive post that keeps your readers engaged. Take your time to check out all the available tools and features. You can adjust fonts, colors, layouts, and spacing to match your website's style and branding. The editor is designed to be intuitive, so you can drag and drop elements wherever you need them, making the entire process smooth and creative. Once you're happy with your post, you can preview it to see how it will look to your visitors, and when you're ready, simply publish it to make it live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully created and added a post on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.